Hello, welcome to Blossom Kitchen, where we bring the essence of Nigerian cooking right to your home. Today, we are making a dish that's not only delicious but also a perfect companion to your favorite swallows. That's the iconic Efo Riro. This vibrant vegetable is a true Nigerian classic loaded with rich flavors, fresh greens, and a perfect balance of spices. It's packed with nutrients, so you are not just satisfying your taste buds, but nourishing your body too. Trust me, once you taste it, you understand why Efo Riro is the ultimate sidekick for any swallow. Ready to dig in? Let's get cooking. Alright, these are my ingredients. The cow skin, the main vegetable that I'm using, which is the Efo Tete. I have another vegetable too. This is my protein. This is chicken, already cooked. And this is my smoked fish. Chicken sauce. This is the other vegetable, Waterleaf. Tomato already sliced, onion sliced, red oil, salt, seasoning cube. And this is my homemade seasoning and Locus bean. And I also have crayfish and my pepper already blended. I have the list of these ingredients in the description. You can check. It's time to cook now. So I'll come in first of all with the red oil. Allow it to boil a little before adding the onion. So I've added the onion and fry for like half a minute. Then I'll add the tomatoes. The tomato comes first because I want it to fry before coming with the pepper mix. Take note that I'm using just little tomatoes. So it's time to pour in the pepper mix, a mixture of habanero pepper, chili pepper, and onion, roughly blended. So I will allow it to fry until the oil comes on top of the pepper, as you can see. Just fry like for 3 minutes. It's done. Then I start to add my sweeteners now, the chicken sauce, the Ponmo, the Locus bean, and my locally made seasoning. I also have the Catfish, the salt, the seasoning cube. So I'll mix everything together. I added the cow skin because I want it to really mix up and blend with the sweetness. Because normally, Ponmo doesn't have its own natural taste, so it borrows taste from other ingredients. So I've added the water leaf too, as you can see. I am using water leaf as a sweetener. That's the secret of my cooking. Try it and see how it tastes. And come and tell me in the comment section how you enjoy your soup. So I'll cover and allow to cook for a while. After a few minutes, come back here. If you are here, the soup is already tasting fine. It's smelling fine, I mean, because I have not tasted anyway. Smelling fine. So I come in with my smoked fish now. And my protein. I didn't fry this protein because generally I don't like frying my proteins. If you like to fry yours, you are free. And also tell me in the comment section the type of protein you would like to use to cook your own vegetable. Except the chicken sauce, I've not added any water. It's intentional because the water leaf itself will produce water. So in another pot, I've washed my vegetable So I just want to blanch it or this steam it anyhow. So add a little pinch of salt. It will make it look plain. Just for a few minutes. Don't forget it on the fire. So over here, my pepper mix is doing fine. Yes, the water content is low now. And it's ready to take in the vegetable. You can see the water content is not much at all. And I didn't even add any water to this soup. So I will allow the water to still dry further. So over here, yeah, my vegetable steamed already. So I didn't add water. The water content in the vegetable also will ooze out. So you can see vegetables are high in water content. So because I don't want my vegetable to have too much water, so I will pour it on a strainer and make sure I make the water to drain. I will drain the water. I use one of my spoons to do that. So the pepper mix is ready now. So I'm scooping out a little quantity. I do this always when I cook vegetable because I don't want the pepper to be more than the vegetable. So if need be, I will still bring it in later. But for this, let me just do it this way and mix it. If there is any need, I will return the one that I scooped out. If there is no need, I will keep that for later use. You reduce the heat or you put it off and mix well. Actually, the vegetable is ready now. If you don't want it to overcook and you still want it fresh and green, but I'll allow it to simmer a little on the fire for like a minute. I will cover. If you cover at this junction, it's going to reduce so much water. So I didn't cover, so you can see. It's yummy. My vegetable is ready. So it is time to eat. Get your swallow. This is semo. I'm using semo. Come and join me. If you have watched up to this extent, it means you are enjoying my video. Please hit that like button and share with your friends too. If you are new here, then subscribe so that when next I post a video, you'll be notified. I love vegetable soup, especially with swallow like semo, pounded yam and the like. This vegetable is inviting. Try it and let me know in this comment section how it turned out to be and the type of vegetable you used. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.